Hello students, in grade 6 in second term subject maths topic chapter number 8 decimals. So students, you all are welcome in second term. Happy morning everybody. Student, from this second term you give me a promise that whatever the videos that I will put in this digital media, you have to follow it properly, regularly. Whatever the inside small homework is there, that also you have to complete in my Fairbook, because every 15 days we are going to check your book. So you are requested to note down all this precisely, particular way, in a good position in your notebook. Okay, so let's we start decimal chapters. Student, as you know that in last year, means in your 5th standard, you have studied last year fractions, correct? Here, this is the figure of rectangle which having 10 equal parts. So, what we should write? 2 upon 10, because total color part is 1 and 2. In this figure, you can see it is clearly what should be the fraction? It should be 3 upon 10. Here you see the figure square, and this square having total how many equal parts? 100 equal parts. Okay. So if you color 15 parts from 100 equal parts, so your fraction becomes 15 upon 100, because color part is 15, okay, and total part is hundreds. Similarly, if you color 25 parts from 1000 equal parts, so the fraction will be 25 upon 1000. So students, if we write the definition of decimal, it is so easy from above conclusion. So decimal is a fraction in which we write in its denominator as a 10, 100 and 1000, etc. Okay, so let's we start our decimal chapters, right? Student, here we represent decimals on number line. Here you can see the number line. Now suppose we represent the number. Here we draw the number line from 0 to 1, and from 0 to 1 total how many subparts are there? 10. Okay, so here you see this is 0, this is 1 upon 10, this is 2 upon 10, so you can write 0.2. This 1 upon 10 means you can put 0.1. This point is a decimal, and whatever the 0 in denominator, we put that much decimal from the right side. Okay, from right to left, like this way. So here we put 1, then 1 point, because 1 0 is there. Similarly here 0.2, 3 upon 10, because 1, 2 and 3, 3 upon 10, 0.3, 4 upon 10, 0.4, 5 upon 10, 0.5, 6 upon 10, 0.6, like that. Okay, then 1, then this is 1.1, 1.1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, like that. Okay, let's we move. Here 347, we write this number. Now 7 number which is in unit place, so we put 7 place value Fourth place value is 4 is in 10 place, so 4 into 10, that is 40. 3's unit place value is, it is in 100 place, so 3 into 100, that is 300. So 347 we read as 347. Suppose we put 347.345, right? So we put as a place value in table form. You see, 7 means unit place, 4 means 7 is in unit place. This is our decimal point. 4 it is in 10 place, 3 it is in 100 place. So 7 it is in unit place, 4 tens place, 3 hundreds place, right? So here we put 1 unit place means 1, 10 place means 10, 100 place means 100. Then we put here decimal point here. Then after that tenth part is there. Tenth means what? 1 upon 10. Hundreds means 1 upon 100. Thousands means 1 upon 1000. Here this 3 it is in 10th position, means we write 3 upon 10. 4 it is in 100th position, we write 4 upon 100. 5 it is in 1000th position, so we write 5 upon 1000. So we read this number 347.345, but we cannot read as 347.345. okay, so this is a small mistakes, correct? So you have to read this 347.345 only, but not 347.345 or 345. Okay. Now students, let's move ahead. Write the following number in the place value table. The first one 20.5. Here we write this table, then unit and 10, and this is 10th place. Here the decimal point. So now 0 it is in unit place, 2 it is in 10th place, 5 which is in 10th place. So we write 20.5 upon 10 like that. Similarly, you can do homework 85.4 as above method, 64.3 that also you can write. Now D, 753.29, how you can write? Now you see that 753, 3 it is in unit place, 5 it is in 10 place, 7 it is in 100 place, then 2 it is in 10th position, 9 it is in 100th position. So like this way you can put 753.2 upon 10, 9 upon 100 like this way. So similarly you can write down as a homework 49.36 and 7.38. Next students, write each of the following as decimals. Right? This is one of the exercise of our textbook 8.1. So let's focus on this. 30 plus 8 plus 2 upon 10. How can you write 30 plus 8 means 38 and 2 upon 10 means 38.2. 700 plus 20 plus 9 plus 3 upon 10. Now 720 means 720 plus 9 means 729. Point plus 3 upon 10 means plus, means here we put before that 3 upon 10 means this is now 10th position start, 10th. So 0.3. Here 800, 00, 800 plus 00 plus 3. It means 803. This is integer part. Now plus 2 upon 10 will come, means 0.2, and 7 it is in 100th position. So 7. So 800.27. Fourth one, that is homework. 20 plus 7 plus 5 upon 10 is equal to what? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Please note down in your notebook, right? 10th one, it is also homework. 11 and 12. Another exercise, write the following fraction in decimal form. This is also a very important exercise of exercise 8.1. Now 3 upon 5. Students, what you should do over here, the concept is, whatever, first of all you see the denominator. Here in denominator 5 is there, right? So 5, how many is that? Means whenever you want to start the fraction in decimal form, first of all you see the denominator, and denominator must be in decimal. The denominator must be either 10 or 100 or 1000. So now here 3 upon 5 is there, right? So 5, how many is that? 10. So 5 2s are 10. So we have to multiply and divide by 2 in numerator as well as denominator. So now that's 2s are 6. 6 upon 10, that is 0.6. Similarly 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 means what? 2.2, sorry, 2 into 2, 5 into 2, like this way as we have done above. 6 upon 10, that is 0.4, because 1 0 is there. So 0.4. Here 6 upon 10, 0.6. 4 upon 10, 0.4. Like this way, student, you can do. Third one in the HW form. Fourth one 8 upon 5 in HW form. Fifth one you see 3 upon 4. Now how can you convert in decimal form? Now 4 how many is the 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So upon 10 it's not possible. So 4 how many is the 100? Student, please you remember 4 how many is the 100? 25 is the. So multiply and divide in numerator as well as in denominator as 25. So put 25 numerator as well as in denominator. So 3 25s are 75, or 25 3s are 75, and 25 4s are 100. Means here 20 is there. We have to cut the decimal from, you see here I put the arrow. Why I put the arrow? It means you have to cut decimal from right to left side. How many? 2 zeros are there. You have to cut 2 points. So 1, 2, and here decimal points, like this way. Another is 1 integer 2 upon 10, means 1.2. 8 upon 4, that you can do HW. 3 integer 5 upon 10, that is also HW. 29 integer 6 upon 10, HW. Now 7 upon 2. 2 how many is are 10? 5 is are. So you have to multiply and multiply in numerator as well as denominator by 5. Correct? So 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10, 35 upon 10 means 3.5, 1 decimal point. 11 HW, 12 HW, 12 here I have done over here. 7 upon 25. So 7 upon 25, 25 how many is 100? 4 is. So we have to multiply by 4 in numerator as well as in denominator. That is 7 4s are 28 upon 100, that is 0.28. 2 decimal you have to cut from right to left. Every time you put the arrow, so you should remember that we have to cut the decimal from right to left, not left to right. Please remember. Then 8 upon 25, 2 upon 25, it is in homework. Now 3 upon 500. Okay students, 3 upon 500. So 500 how many is the 1000? 2s are. So we have to multiply by 2 in numerator as well as in denominator by 2. So 3 2s are 6 upon 1000, means now here you see student, How many total decimal you have to cut? 3 zeros are there, right? 6 upon 1000, 3 zeros. So we have to put here first 6, then 1, 2. No number is there, mean you have to put 0. 1, 2, 3, and then points. So we have to, which is read as 0.006, right? From right to left we cut 3 decimal point, and wherever the number is not there we put 0. 16, 71 upon 500, like this way exactly we do over here, you see. 17 also like this way we have to do over here. 18 also, 19 also, and these are your homework. 35 upon 100, 6 upon 500, 58 upon 500, 50 upon 500, 2 upon 50, 7 upon 20. So students, now let's we start exercise 8.1. Okay, you have to drill this exercise, right? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. Do practice, rather, in your book or on your slate, right? So do practice this 3 to 4 times. So by the way you can know easily. Okay, practice makes the man perfect, right? Or practice makes the individual perfect. So practice is the most important thing. Exercise 8.1, question number 1a. Here 30 plus 1 plus 2 upon 10. How can we write this? Expressed in decimal, 31.2. That also we have seen in our explanation mode, right? Now this B, 100 plus 10 plus 4 upon 10. So 100.4. Very easy. Okay. These you do in this way. Also you have to write in the tabular form. The same thing is there. You see, first of all 31.2. And the next is 110.4. How can we express in the tabular form like this way? 31.2, you see, 31.2. Here you first of all ready this table, 1 place, 10th place, 100 place, and then 10th place. Okay. Now 31.2 means 1 it is in unit place, 3 it is in 10th place, and here no number is 100 place, so we put here 0. So 31, now 2 it is in 10th place, so 31.2 upon 10, or you like that 2. And the next is 110.4, so 110.4 means 4 upon 10, or you can write 4. So question number 2, it is your homework, students, that you can know very well from textbook. Use your textbook and complete this homework. Question number 3. Question number 3 is write each of the following as decimal. 7/10. So how can we write 7/10? We write 7/10, that is 7 upon 10. 2 tenths and 9 tenths. 2 tenths means what? 2 multiplied by 10. It is in 10th position. So 2 10 means 20. 9 tenths means 9 upon 10s. If we write 20 plus 9 upon 10, so what should we write? 20 plus 9 upon 10 is 20.9. Very easy. Next, 14.6. So 1 for 14.6. 102 ones. Okay. Now 1 means 100 position. 1 into 100 plus 2 ones mean unit position. So 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 means 102. The next is 600.8. So 600.8, like this way you can write. Next one is HW, like this way you can write 7.4, 14 and 7 tenths, 79 and 2 tenths, 200, 14 7 ones and 2 tens. So like this way you can complete this. The next one is question number 4. Write the following as decimal. Now we have to write down these in decimal. 5 upon 10 means what? 0.5. That I have explained before. 3 plus 7 upon 10 means 3.7. 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10 means 260. 200 plus 60 means what? 260. Plus 5 means 260 plus 5 means 265.1. 70.8. 88 upon 10 means 8.8, means one decimal you have to cut from right side 1 point. 4 integer 2 upon 10 means 4.2, means 4 means 4 integer part 4 point, decimal part is means 2 upon 10 means 0.2, so 4.2. 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, so you have to first of all convert into that upon denominator as a 10 or 100 or 1000 like that. So 3 upon 2 means 2 5s are 10. Okay, that one method. 3 upon 2 upon 5, 12 upon 5. 3 integer 3 upon 5. Very easy. Here is also homework for integer 1 upon 2. Like this way you can do, students. Now you see this n sum. 7 integer 4 upon 100. Here you see how many zeros are there? 2. So 7.4, and you have to start to cut the decimal point from right to left. How many? 2 0 means 2 decimal point means 1. Another number is not there, so 0. So 7.04. Similarly, you can write this 8 integer 5 upon 100 means what? 8.05, like that way. So like that way you can complete this work. Okay, students. Okay, move to question number 5. Write the following decimal as a fraction and reduce the fraction as lowest form. Now first one, you see, the first one is 0.6. So 0.6 means what? 6 upon 10. Now you convert it is in reduced form. 6 upon 10 means 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 3 upon 5. Okay. Another is 2.5. So 25 upon 10. So now if it is cancellation is possible, do it. 5 5s are 5 2s are. So 5 upon 2. Then 1.0 means 1 upon 10. 3.8. 3.8 means 38 upon 10. And 38 upon 10 means 2 19s are 38 and 2 5s are 10. 19 upon 5. E. 13.7 means 137 upon 10. There is F. 21.2 means 212 upon 10. So 106 upon 5, because 2106 are 212 and 2 5s are 10, like this way. Here is the homework of same exercise. Let's we move to exercise question number 6. Express as centimeter using decimal. Now students, we know that this also we have done in your previous standards, centimeter to millimeter. So what is the conversions ratio? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now centimeter is a bigger unit and millimeter is a smaller unit. So students, whenever we convert bigger to smaller, then we have to multiply it, and from, you see here I have drawn the arrow. Millimeter to centimeter means smaller to bigger. Here I have written. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Smaller unit to bigger unit means divide. So here we have to put 2 millimeter means what? 2 upon 10, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, or 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter means we have to divide 2 upon 10. Next one is 30 millimeter. So 30 upon 10. If the cancellation is possible, please do cancel. 0, 0 cancel. It is 3 centimeter. Now 11 points, 116 millimeter means 116 upon 10. Here also cancellation is possible. So if you can do cancellation, you can, otherwise it is okay. Now this D, 4 centimeter 2 millimeter. It means 4 centimeter means it is now already it is in centimeter, but you have to convert this to millimeter. So 2 millimeter means what? 2 upon 10 centimeter. So like this way you can write 4 centimeter plus 2 upon 10 centimeter, and that is equal to 4.2 centimeter. 4 plus 0.2 means 4.2 centimeter. Here it is the homeworks. 162 millimeter converting to centimeter, 83 millimeter, 5 centimeter 23 millimeter, 120 millimeter, 7 centimeter 33 millimeter, 10 centimeter 11 millimeter. Students, move to another exercise, question number 7. Represent this number whether they are lying between which and which whole number. 0.8, it is lie between 0 and 1. B, you first of all you see in your textbook, right? 8.1, question number 7. 5.1, it is always lie between, now it is starting from 5, right? Starting from 0 point means it is lie between 0 and 1. Starting from 5, means it is lie between 5 and 6. Starting from 2.6 means it is lie between 2 and 3. Starting from 6.4 means it is lie between 6 and 7. So like this way you can do. Out of this, which one is nearer to the whole number? Here you see, students, 3.1, 9.1 and 4.9. These are nearer to 5.1 is nearer to 5, 9.1 is nearer to 9, and 4.9 is nearer to 5 whole numbers respectively. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. Represent this decimal on number line. Okay. Here 0.2. 0.2 means 2 upon 10. Means you have to first draw the number line, and between 0 and 1 make 10 equal parts. So here you see in the figure 10 equal parts. So here 2 upon 10 means what? Here 2 upon 10 means, you see, this is 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, like that. So here our 2 upon 10. So here representation is over here. Now 1.9 means 19 upon 10. Now this 19 upon 10, it is a improper fraction, right? So you convert into mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. So 19 upon 10 means what? 1 integer 9 upon 10. So your work will be very easy. Means now this, how can you represent this? 1 integer means it is lie between 1 and 2. So again 0, 1, 2, make 10 equal parts. So 1 integer here 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9. 0 0.10 means 1. 1.1 integer 1 upon 10. 1 integer 2 upon 10. So here our number will be 1 integer 9 upon 10 is over here. Or you can say 19 upon 10. Here 1.1, students. Now 1.1, this is homework, but here I have done this for you. Again we divide this 0, 1 and 2, it is in 10 sub parts, equal parts. So 1 in 1.1 means what? 11 upon 10. 11 upon 10 means what? This is again improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. 1 integer 1 upon 10. So student, you can see here 1 integer 1 upon 10. Here 1 integer 2 upon 10. Like that. Our representation is 1 integer 1 upon 10. Similarly, you can do this 2.5. Now 2.5 means what? 25 upon 10. Here you can cancel also. Like this way also you can represent 25 upon 10 means 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 means 2 integer 1 upon 2. Means 2. Here we have to represent denominator, you see 2. So our 0 to 1 is, it is divided into 2 equal parts. See the denominator, 2 equal parts, right? So here 2 integer, this is 1 upon 2 and this is 2 upon 2 means 1, and now 2 integer 1 upon 2 means this is here. Or you can write down another way also. Another way, suppose you don't want to cancel, right? So here like this way 0, 1, 2 and 2 integer 5 upon 10 if you don't want to cancel. So 2 integer 5 upon 10, like this way you can represent 2 integer 5 upon 10. Similarly, this is the homework. 0.8 represent place 1.2, 2.7 and 2.6. Now question number 9. In question number 9, you see in the textbook, student please, there the number line is given and alphabets are written. So on A alphabet, which number should be there? Representation 0.8. On B, one integer 3 upon 10 means 1.3. C representation 2 integer 2 upon 10, 2.2. And D representation, it is 2.9, that is 2 integer 9 upon 10. Okay. Now question number 10. A. Here problem type of question is there. What is the length of Ramesh notebook? Ramesh notebook, it is measure 9 centimeter and 5 millimeters. So convert this number into decimals, means centimeters. This 9 centimeters, 5 millimeter means what? 5 upon 10 centimeters, as we have done previously. This 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now convert this millimeter into centimeters upon 10, right? So 9 plus 0.5 means 9.5. So easy. So Ramesh notebook is 9.5 centimeter length. Second one, what is the length of Yangwan gram plant? So here Yangwan gram plant, it is given in millimeter, 65 millimeter. So here 65 upon 10 convert into centimeters, 6.5 centimeters. So young gram plant length is 6.5 centimeter. And here exercise 8.1 is over here, dear students. Next time we will start exercise 8.2. Till then, have a nice day.